now doing my masters in photo investigation. It's more interactive. Like, it's one thing to have someone talk in front of a room and explain what you should do, what you shouldn't do, but it's different to experience and make mistakes. You learn from mistakes. So if you can't do that at a crime scene, it's not the end of the world because you will learn in future.
My background, I was a forensic scientist and a scene goer for nearly 18 years. If we'd had that sort of technology for that sort of training, I can see that we would have developed a lot quicker. Putting everything on another plane, on another level, it really is good.